How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Sorry if this video is a little bit off. I have people working outside. I also have my dog on my lap because she keeps on barking at the dog outside. But I wanted to bring you an update because a couple of different things have happened in crypto recently. And again, I'm just going to apologize. This has been a crazy couple of days. Not a good couple of days for a lot of us, but we do have some updates. So we're going to talk about Luna, going to talk about the plan to save UST, also going to talk about CPI. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, subscribe button, I appreciate that. There's also a link down there to BlockFi in case you want some free money at a time like this. They're giving up to $250 bonus in Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is falling right now. It's around 29.4. We can see that it started to fall right after the CPI data was released. It's bouncing a little bit after hitting 29,000, still staying above where it was last summer, but has fallen a lot, to be fair. We also have other cryptocurrencies that are doing so much worse than Bitcoin, right? Ethereum is down 10% on the 1 hour. BNB down 9%, XRP down 15%, Solana down 20%, down to $50. We hadn't seen it anywhere close to this before. Last couple bounces have been at 75. We also saw, let's just get down to some of the worst ones. Let's look for Luna. Luna has just been evaporating, and I will give you an update on that. We have Luna at 76 cents. It bounced to $1.08 and then fell right back down. UST is down pretty significantly too. I don't even know if it's on this list. Let's see. It has fallen down a lot over the last 24 hours. It's down to 29 cents. I'm going to show you here in a second what's happened to UST, but my heart's out to everyone that's had money in Anchor or UST or Luna. It still hurts though when you thought you had something that was stable that wasn't going to move in value and you didn't think about it as an investment but as cash. Now, Doquan just addressed the community a few hours ago. He says he understands the last 72 hours have been tough on all of us. First of all, you have to realize how Terra's peg mechanism works. Review showing it at 50 cents. The price stabilization mechanism is absorbing UST supply over 10% of total supply, but the cost of absorbing so much stablecoin at this time has stretched out the on-chain swap spread to 40%. The Luna price has diminished dramatically, absorbing the arbitrages. Before anything else, sorry, that's my dog yawning. The only path forward to be absorbed, to absorb the stablecoin supply that wants to exit before UST can start to repeg. There is no way around it. We proposed several remedial measures to aid the peg mechanism to absorb supply. First, we endorsed the community proposal to decrease the pool recovery block from 36 to 18 and increase the minting capacity from 293 million to about 1,200 million. This should allow the system to absorb the UST more quickly. More ideas will be discussed at their forum. With the current on-chain speed, peg pressure, and UST burn rate, the supply overhang of UST should continue to decrease until the parity is reached and spreads begin healing. Naturally, this is at a high cost to UST and Luna holders, but we will continue to explore various options to bring in more capital to the ecosystem. As we begin to rebuild UST, we will adjust its mechanism to be collateralized. The Terra system is one of the most vibrant in the community, and he talks a little bit more. Now, I didn't think this was a great explanation for everything that happened. I don't think this was enough, and I think you can see that because after he came out with this, UST's price fell from about 50 cents on the dollar to about 30 cents on the dollar. Now, that's not necessarily what's happening or what's pushing crypto down right now. We saw CPI come out and it came in higher than expected. It was lower than last month, but still higher than expected, about 8.3% instead of the 8.1% expected. So that's forcing the entire market down, stocks and crypto. Now, with that in mind, I like to be as open and honest on the channel as possible. Even when it hurts, because obviously it's not good for me to say this, but I did sell out of UST. If it recovers, then I miss out. If it falls down, I still don't feel good because I, talked about it a decent amount on the channel, and it did still lose me a ton of money, a significant portion of my net worth. So just wanted to be clear on that. Hopefully you do appreciate it, even though it's not much help now, because some people will call me, paper hand or something like that. But honestly, with Luna's price falling down so much, I think that's a problem. Just to be clear, like, I'm not trying to fear anyone out of holding it or anything like that. I just saw it as a problem because so many people have left and so many people don't want a piece of it. It's fallen down 99% in a week, and it was a top 8 crypto, like I was talking about it a couple weeks ago. So it's just a crazy time. We'll see if Bitcoin holds up at 29,000. Looks pretty good so far, but if the entire market starts to fall, like the stock market, I wouldn't be surprised to see it fall again underneath the 29,000 mark, or even under the 28.5 that we saw last year. Now, I want to hear your thoughts on all this underneath the video. I hope you guys are all doing okay. I probably will be taking a mental health day, just taking a little bit of time away from the keyboard today. But let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.